Hello everyone, this is Devamitra from PCS Computer Solutions Global Private Limited. Hope you guys are doing well. So guys, in my previous sessions, you have already seen that there are loads of people who have joined PCS Global across pan-India basis. We are conducting one process that is called our EILP process, the Employee Internship Learning Program. So today I came up with a new resource of PCS Global and he has just joined in this EILP process, and today we are going to discuss with him about this process. So his name is Sajamal, right? Is it Sajamal or Sajamal?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sajamal Gain.
Sajamal Gain. Okay, hi Sajamal, this is Devamitra. So
Okay, ma'am.
Sajamal, can you tell me about yourself? At first, introduce yourself.
Okay, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, my name is Sajamal Gain. I am from West Bengal in Kolkata. I just completed my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from Kuchbihar Government Engineering College with the percentage 85%, and my pass out year is 2023. And I have a good knowledge about Java and SQL, JDBC, and HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and I also learn Sublet, JSP, and Spring. It is
Okay.
an advanced Java section, and
Continue.
my hobbies are playing cricket and listening music and reading book, ma'am. That's
Great.
it, ma'am.
Great. So Sajamal, from where you get to know about this EILP process?
Actually, ma'am, I know this ELP process in Google advertisement in your website, PCS Global.
Okay.
So that's why, ma'am, I
Applied for this and you get the mail from our side, right?
yeah, ma'am, yeah.
Okay. So when you have attended the interview, what was your feedback about this interview process? There are probably 3 rounds are going on. The HR and MR at first the presentation round, then the HR MR. Have you attended all those rounds?
Yeah, ma'am, yeah.
Okay. Have you given any machine test?
No, no, ma'am, no.
You have not given it. Okay. So, Sajamal, tell me one thing. Right now, you are with PCS Global and you have the knowledge of technology. Then why you have joined this EILP process? What is the thought process behind it?
Ma'am, because I am a freshers candidate, ma'am. I
Mm-hmm.
just pass out 2023,
Mm-hmm.
and I have no knowledge about the industry. What I work in industry,
Mm-hmm.
but in PCS Global,
Mm-hmm.
they teach us the industrial project
Mm-hmm.
with the freshers candidate.
Mm-hmm.
Join the PCS Global, and I learn the um, advanced technology, and I will.
Okay, so I got your point. That is
Hello.
being a yes. You are audible. You are audible enough. Being a fresher candidate, Sajmal, what he has said that Sajmal wanted to start his career as soon as possible. So that's why he has joined this
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
EILP internship program, because only having the knowledge in technology is not going to help you to join in any MNC. At first, you need the first thing, that is you are an experienced candidate. And what PCS Global is doing, PCS Global is giving you that opportunity to start, and the process name is learn and earn experience. So if you have the knowledge of technology
Yeah, ma'am.
also, what
How to work in
yeah, you continue, tell me.
PCS Global? PCS Global teach our how to industry level work,
Mm-hmm.
how to do work industry level.
Mm-hmm.
Teach us.
Yes, PCS Global, not only we are giving the opportunity to learn that how industry you need to work in industries, we are providing you the first thing, that how to crack interviews also. Along with this,
Yeah,
technology
ma'am.
is the
Yeah.
main thing, but you need to upskill yourself to know about the process, how the MNCs are working in, and why PCS Global is doing this? That is, we all know that you candidate, the fresher candidates who has just passed out or who have passed out in 2022, all of you have the potential, but the main thing, you are not getting the opportunity to start. So that's why we are providing
Yeah,
you
ma'am. Yeah.
this internship. So Sajamal, are you happy with this EILP process?
Yeah, ma'am. I absolutely happy.
Okay. So tell me one thing. What are the main thing you think that can help you? Apart from this training, and you will get the opportunity to in the industry based training we are providing you, that is another thing. Apart from that, what are the things you think that you can help that can help you to work in another company also? What you are learning from PCS Global apart from technology?
Ma'am, in PCS Global, their teachers are very friendly, ma'am.
That
Very
means,
friendly, sir,
yes,
ma'am.
flat hierarchy. Not only the teachers, our management are also very friendly. So whenever you
Yeah, ma'am.
need to join or you need to connect with anyone, there are loads of people who will help you to know about, to solve your
Yeah,
problem, to know about another thing. So in PCS Global, what we do, we always try to help everyone. Our HR persons and our senior management, all of them are doing the same thing with everyone. So we treat people like they are the resource and the asset as well as the asset of PCS Global. So Rajmal, after having this training, if you will start working in another company, uh, do you think that EILP will be the first experience of your life? Like PCS Global will be the first company of your life, and you will remember us or not?
yeah, yeah, ma'am. Remember, always remember, ma'am.
Okay,
I don't forget it, ma'am.
okay. So, Rajmal, it was great to talk with you. Okay, and whatever we are
Okay,
doing.
ma'am.
Uh, if you appeal to the candidate who has not joined yet, who is seated their home ideally and thinking about joining because you have just passed out in 2023. So from your side, what you wanted to say them?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I am saying for those student or candidate
Mm-hmm.
who are currently pass out in 2023 or
Mm-hmm.
2022,
Mm-hmm.
immediately join the PCS Global and learn the advanced level technologies and
Mm-hmm.
work with the companies.
True. So guys,
That's it,
from
ma'am.
yeah, from Devamitra, from Sarjamal, we are saying the same thing that if you wanted to start your career as soon as possible, kindly communicate with us and join PCS Global and get the best from our side. So this is for now. Sadman, thank you for giving your valuable time. Have a great career ahead. Okay. So, bye for now.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Welcome.